guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't done a voiceover in ages, it just takes me like a million times longer. But anyway, to start off with, I painted a wiggly black line down the centre of my face, and then using the Mehron pastel green face paint, I just coloured in the rest of my face. And then this is the Diamond FX metallic green, and I just enhanced the line. For the beauty makeup side of my face, I primed my face with this Technic primer spray, which is amazing, by the way. It smells like cucumber. And then I went in with this Loreal foundation, which I also love. It's like really good coverage but quite dewy as well. And then I just set the makeup. Then filled in the gaps in my eyebrows with this Rimmel eye pencil. This is like £2.99. It's really cheap and really good. And then I, using a flat brush and concealer, just neatened around the edges. I then went into this sleek Ultra Matte 2 eyeshadow palette and primed my lids. This is a really nice matte, like greeny coloured eyeshadow palette. So I just went into my crease with this green shade. I added a silver shimmer on the lid, and then I drew in a winged liner. I then contoured my face using this Technic bronze palette. This palette is £2.99 from We Sell Cosmetics, which is where I've got all this beauty makeup from, which is just so cheap, like, and it's actually really good, so for £3. Anyway, so then I drew a white line down the centre of my face using Diamond FX white face paint, and this just makes it look more 3D. And then I went back into the bronze palette with a flat eyeshadow brush and started to create this rippled effect on the skin. Using white eyeshadow, I then went in between the dark lines and added a highlight. I then went into the Diamond FX black face paint and just like deepened the contrast between the two sides of the face, and then I went into a black eyeshadow and just buffed that out, and it just creates this shadowy effect, like as if the skin's coming up. I then went into Diamond FX Essential Dark Green, and I started to paint in the Grinch's big bushy eyebrows, and then I added some highlights with white paint and also some darker bits with the black paint. The Grinch then has this like muzzle thing, so I kind of just mapped out the lines of that, and then I went in with the black eyeshadow and shaded it in, and using a white paint also added some highlights. Using the dark green eyeshadow again, I just contoured my face a bit and added some shading around the edges. I then went into a pointy brush with a black eyeshadow and added these like wrinkle details. I then decided I wanted to paint in a little bit of Christmas attire. So using the white Diamond FX face paint, I just painted in like this snowy furry trim, and then using Mehron red face paint, I just coloured in the top of my shoulders. I then put in these contact lenses. It's TTDEYE Mystery Green and Real Aqua, and this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you prefer it when I do a voiceover in my videos. Thanks, bye.